Hey y'all, I just wanted to do a quick little header to let you know that this is a edited video. I've been working on Beebeecraft Bling jewels and mini projects for a few weeks now, so I want to put it all together and show it in one film, but it will be edited, and I hope you enjoy what you see. Another link will be in the description box below. So let's get started. Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, and I am here to do a project share with you and share with you some things I do with my Beebeecraft Bling. Now, if y'all remember, I had done the unboxing and I had already shared what I did with the waxes and practicing with that. And now I'm here and I'm going to show you what I've done with some of the bling. All these things are so sparkly and shiny, and just all the colors are gorgeous. So I had gotten those, and I made some embellishments. And these are some of the embellishments I showed y'all I had put into a challenge entry, and I believe it was my last video. And so many of y'all wanted to know and loved about the candies and the flowers. Well, the flowers, they're just a punch out. And I just put several different layers. And of course, I added some of that gorgeous Beebeecraft bling. Simple. I just used some art glitter glue to put it in the middle. And yeah, I mean, pretty simple to embellish pretty much anything with these. I also embellished the center of this rosette that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and it was on a ribbon trim, and I just cut it out and took the mesh off of it and made a memory dex card. And so, you know me, I've got to add me some bling pretty much in anything I do, or at least I try to. And I love how this turned out with the all shabbiness and everything. And the candies, the ones that everybody loved. And I had took basically my 1.5 inch scallop. And I had gotten this inspiration from Bethy's Boutique Studio. And I apologize, girl, if I didn't get it right. But definitely will be leaving her link in the channel along with Beebeecrafts and where you can find this gorgeous bling and the sparkly gems. But Bethy has she has a tutorial on how to make these, and that's where I got inspired. She did some that were so super cute. And basically what I had done, now mine's a little bit different than hers. Of course, we use different papers, number one. But I had, did a scallop punch, and I had done the scallop punch like she had taught me, and I cut my scallop punch 4 ways. And then I did another scallop, and then I just did a little round circle. Now, Bethy has an actual spiral punch. I do not have that, so I come up with my own way, and that was using some craft glitter and just swirled it around in the colors of my choice. But yeah, so we can give Miss Bethy credit for that one. And like I said, I will be leaving Beebeecraft in the description box below, and their homepage and the link to where you can find the jewels. And I'm going to show you a few more examples. I'm working on the flowers and the rosettes, or the cupcake embellishments. So I included these again with the gold cupcake liner and die cut, and then I layered it up in the same colors that I used in the memory decks. And so I did 2 of those, and this one says sweet like candy, and then this one just says love. And then I did the 4 flowers that I did for someone else, and just different papers. And of course I used the Beebeecraft bling. Okay, now this is, just another way to be able to use the gems. If you've seen a previous video where I had done a VR project share, you'll see that, I had made this tag holder. And inside I have my tags. And then it's removable. I've Velcroed it down so that it can be taken, the box can be taken wherever you need to take it to. And then I've got it Velcroed so that it doesn't slide around when you need it. But then it's got the cover, so if you want to store it and have something pretty, like say in your craft room, then you've got it. But I just thought it looked like a cute little button, and this package definitely needed some bling and some sparkle, so that's where I put it. Here are some more ways that I used my Beebeecraft embellishment bling. I had done a tag flip, and I'm not sure if that will be uploaded before or after I share my Beebeecraft, but I made the little flowers, put it on the leaf, and you know, decorated and embellished my tag, and then of course added the bling right in the center. And that's the peachy color one, so it's not really white, but it blends in really good. And then I did this side, and then made a smaller flower, same color. It's that peachy colored, and I just thought it blended in really good with the colors, and it just popped right in the center. And then this one, like I did in the previous one, or the next one, depending on how it gets edited. This one I put again in the center of one of these rosettes I had hauled from, actually this was gifted to me, but I had some from Hobby Lobby in a different color, so I did that. And then, yeah, those are the ones I added bling to, because this one got both sides of the bling. And here we are. This is the final product I'm going to share today. And this is some hair bows I made for my precious granddaughter, my baby girl. My daughter has been begging me, so I finally made her some. She wanted to go with some team spirits to match her football dresses and cheerleader outfits, and so she can sport our favorite team. Can anybody guess who that one is? And I made one big one so that if she wanted to do like a little Bam Bam style and do just one little stick up pony. She don't have a lot of hair, but she's finally got some, we can get it up. And so the thing about my bows is I actually have what I put in is a non-slip grip, and it really does work on the finest of hairs. So I've added the red jewel in the center. I'm out of my houndstooth ribbon, which I thought I still had. Then I made her some little piggies so that she can have two that her mom does in the back, or she could have two up top if she decided to go. And of course we went with the red, the black, and that says Go Team. And so how can you just not adore those? Those would actually go for any team, but they're going for ours. And these, I actually hauled this ribbon from Hobby Lobby. And I had gotten it on clearance for 99 cents, and my daughter loved it. So when she loved it, I said, okay, well, we're going to make her some piggies. I think I need to straighten this one up a little bit more. But as y'all know, I've done hair bows, and I'll be honest with you, I am really struggling getting back in on how to do it again like I used to. I used to make some really fancy hair bows, but that's not the point. We are here to discuss these gorgeous bling. Now this one, these in here, they are just the actual red sparkle. So you get the sparkle, but wherever you go, it's still red. Now this is like a red, but it's almost like a magenta pink with its peaks on it. Can you see how it just changes? So I thought this brought out these pinks and a little hint of the blue in the flower. So I did some little rosettes, hand stitched those, and I'll trim that up, but that's part of the shabbiness. So I hope she likes them. These are the first few. They're not, like I said, there's some non-slip grip. But yeah, y'all got to check out. I know I have seen many more of y'all since I've hauled these. I've seen many more of y'all haul them as well. And y'all have to agree. These are just absolutely gorgeous. And there's nothing you just can't embellish, with. So I love it. I could not be happier. I love how they come in their own package. And like I said in the beginning, their shipping, they make sure it is wrapped and protected. And also, let me tell you something, through customer service, the lady that I deal with is Molly, and I'm telling you, hands down, some of the best customer service I have ever dealt with. So, with that being said, I hope you've enjoyed it. Be sure to check out Beebeecraft. They really are a great resource for beads, but so many other things like the wax seals, and you just never know what you're going to find there. Thanks for stopping by, and what do I always say? I wish you the best.